All right, let's take a look at the in-class worksheet. So for each of the following, find the requested limit. So limit as x approaches 3 of 4x plus 7 over 2x minus 3. Well, that equals 4 times 3 plus 7 over 2 times 3 minus 3 is equal to 12 plus 7 over 6 minus 3, which is equal to 19/3. Let's take a look at here. I've got the limit as x approaches -2 of x cubed plus 9, square root of that. Well, -2 cubed plus 9 is equal to -8 plus 9. Square root of that is square root of 1. Well, we could write that as is equal to 1 here. Limit as x approaches 0 of x squared minus 2 over x plus 2. Well, f of 0 is 0 minus 2 over 0 plus 2. So -2 over 2 is equal to -1. Take a look at number 4. Limit as x squared minus 5 over x plus 5. F of 5 is 25 minus 25 over 5 plus 5 is 0 over 10. The limit equals 0. Number 5, limit as x approaches -4 of x plus 4 over x squared minus 16. F of -4 is equal to -4 plus 4 divided by 16 minus 16. Oh, we've got that second case of 0 over 0. That's not a real number, but that doesn't mean that we can't find the limit. Let's take a look at the limit by factoring here. I've got x plus 4 divided by x squared minus 16. I can write x squared minus 16 as x plus 4 times x minus 4, difference of squares. The x plus 4's cancel out. I'm left with the 1 over x minus 4. As x approaches -4, 1 over -4 minus 4 is -1/8. So just because we had an answer of 0 over 0, we can still find the limit. All right, as x approaches -1, here I've got -1 squared is 1 plus 1 over -4 plus 4 zeros. I've got 2 over 0. Well, we'll learn about how to do that next class. All right, let's take a look at number 7. Limit as x approaches 3 of x minus 3 over x squared plus 9. F of 3 is 3 minus 3 over 9 plus 9. 0 over 18 is equal to 0. So number 8, limit of as x cubed plus 8 over 2 x minus 2. The limit of as x approaches -2. F of -2 is -2 cubed is -8 plus 8 is 0. -2 minus 2 is -4. This is also 0. Number 9, limit as x approaches 0 of x minus 1 over x plus 1. F of 0 is going to be 0 minus 1 over 0 plus 1. Well, that's equal to -1. Number 10, f limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 4. F of 2 is equal to 2 squared minus 4 over 2 squared plus 4. Got 4 minus 4 over 4 plus 4, 0 over 8. My limit approaches 0. Limit as x approaches 8 of x squared minus 5x minus 18. I'm sorry, minus 11. F of 8 is equal to 64 minus 40 minus 11. Well, that is equal to 13. As x approaches 2, limit of x cubed minus 8 over x squared minus 4, f of 2. Well, I've got 8 minus 8 is equal to, divided by 4 minus 4 is 0 over 0. Again, the function is not defined there, but since it's 0 over 0, let's try factoring the numerator and the denominator. Well, I can factor this as a difference of cubes into x minus 2 times x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. I can factor the denominator into difference of squares, x plus 2, x minus 2, x times x plus 2. The x minus 2's cancel out. And what am I left with? x squared plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 as x approaches 2. I've got 2 squared plus 2 times 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. That is 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So even though the function wasn't defined, the limit is defined, and it is 3. And that is where we're going to stop for today. This is posted if you need to take a look at that to finish it. So